Previously on my channel, you guys saw me review the Total Temptation Mascara by Maybelline. So if you guys are interested to see my final verdict on this product, then definitely click on the card above and view that video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be decorating our desk area. This is going to be a real quick video and I'm just going to show you how you can really kind of amp up your space with very little effort. So yeah, so here I am using Colin and I'm just getting rid of all of the dust and the gandagi that's there on my desk. I'm also getting rid of that sticker जो निकल ही नहीं रहा था, इतनी कोशिश की मैंने यार, उसका दाग finally रहा ही. So after all the cleaning is done, I just got a few printouts of the pictures that I wanted to post on my desk. So I have a few quotes, a few makeup related pictures, and as you guys can see, there's a theme going on around here. It's almost everything's pink. And yeah, so here I just have cut out all of those pieces in different shapes. So girl boss is in a circular shape, then I've just done this little zigzag cutout, and there's radiate positivity, which is so me and it just makes me so happy. The font, the rainbow theme, everything is so pretty. Then the last one says you can, and that really is very motivating. So yeah, next I have a few post-it notes and I'm just kind of making different tabs for different things. So the first one is learn it. So this is basically going to be a tab wherein I have a few things that I have to learn, and it's also like a reminder to tell me that you have to do this, Sneha. So yeah, so I have 3 different pointers here, which is learn how to drive, read more books, learn to manage bank related matters. Then I have a to-do list. Then I have sayings that work as reminders and that I want to really focus on this year. So yeah, so here I am just taking all of the cutouts. I'm going to be using washi tape to put this on the front of my desk. So here it is all set up. Then I'm just going to take these post-it notes one by one and I'm just going to place it according to what my heart says, and it really makes the entire thing look very colorful. Then I'm just going to place my books at the side, and I'm just going to now place a photo of Brahma Baba, and I'm going to add this cutesy little heart-shaped organizer that I got from Daiso in Singapore. And then I'm going to just add my stationery pieces in there. So I have my glue stick, I have some paper clips, I'm also going to be adding a few pens, and yeah. Then I'm also going to place my Face Shop hand cream in there, and I'm going to be also placing this cutesy little gift that my friend Akshanda made for me on my birthday. Then I also thought of adding this stapler because I usually require that to be really handy, so that's there. Then after that I also added my New Feel facial mist there and my pink Victoria's Secret scent in there. उसके बाद I have this Inglot bag जिसके अंदर I have all of my electronic items. Then there's this Good Vibes Only वाला cup that my friend Minka gifted to me last birthday. उसके अंदर मेरे earphones हैं, which was gifted to me by Shaina. Then here I have these 2 holders that I got from Dima जिसमें मेरे sketch pens and pens हैं. Then I have visiting card holders वहाँ पर. Then I have this Miniso का candle which is in white musk वाला scent. Then I have this cutesy little nail polish that I got from Miniso. Again, it's a peel off one. उसके आगे there's my laptop. And on my extreme left there's this to-do list kind of thing, which has like all of the things that I want to do this year. Uska pura list hai. So that's there to just remind me of all of that. And yeah, that completes the video for today. So as you guys saw, this was very cheap, easy way of kind of amping up your space, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and it gave you a few ideas as to how you can really do your desk without putting in a lot of efforts and a lot of money. फटाफट ये काम हो जाएगा. And yeah, thank you for staying till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then definitely give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.